cataract can present with various symptoms, the most common being unclear vision or blurred vision. In the beginning, the quality of vision is compromised and the night vision is affected. So for example, if somebody is into night driving who have to look at the headlights, then the light spreads when there is a headlight in front of you, and there will be difficult because of the glare. There will be difficulty in doing the night driving. And the second most common is difficulty in reading. So people are into reading, mobile use or the computer use. They perceive it earlier when they develop early cataract, because these activities get affected first in early cataracts. And if this is not noticed by the person in the beginning, then it continues to have increase, and then the person will have blurred vision, which affects distance as well as near. Occasionally, the person can have double vision or multiple vision with cataract, but this is a rare symptom. But most often the complaint is blurred vision.